in
really
Milwaukee and Boston, you were just like, please, early spring, please, early spring.
And it's interesting to see if it actually plays out that way, right?
Yeah.
Love Punxsutawney Phil. All right, happy Groundhog Day, everybody, and happy Super Bowl today, this afternoon. I'm sure a lot of you getting ready to watch the big game, and here's what you can expect. I do want to update you on everything you need to know. So here's a live look over the Santa Monica Pier. We're seeing nice clear skies this morning, but we have some changes headed our way into this afternoon. Temperatures will not be as warm as what we felt yesterday. I know some of us saw record-breaking heat, 70s and well into the 80s, but if you like the warm weather, I'm sorry, unfortunately, it will not stick around today. We do have a strong cold front that will move through as we head into this afternoon and into this evening, and here's exactly what you need to know. We will see strong winds. That will be the main impact we will have from this cold front. Cold temperatures and light rain and snow showers all possible with this as we head into this afternoon and this evening. Damaging wind gusts possible, so we could see gusts around 60 to even 70 miles an hour. That will mainly be up in those higher elevations, but even some of the valley spots under high wind warnings as well. We could see some power outages down power lines and trees as we head into tonight and into the overnight hours. So I do want to play this out for you on our FutureCast wind gusts. You'll notice as we head into this afternoon, here's a check by 4 o'clock, starting to see those winds peak for Lancaster up in Apple Valley and the higher elevations up in the mountains. But take a look as we head into the overnight hours. Here's by 12:30. Most of us will be sleeping, but winds will be howling into the overnight hours. And things start to calm down, though, as we head into Monday afternoon. That's when those wind advisories and those high wind warnings expire, but still pretty gusty even through Tuesday. Those offshore winds really starting to, or continuing rather, to gust through the valleys all the way out toward the coast, Santa Monica, Long Beach, even Fullerton, feeling very strong wind gusts. So for the first half of the week, that's really what you need to know, is we have that potential to see damaging winds. We do have high wind warnings in effect for the mountains, the deserts, as well as some of the valley locations. That does include the San Fernando Valley, the Santa Clarita Valley, and all other areas in this lighter brown. Those are wind advisory areas. Now, with these strong winds, we also do have the potential to see even rain and mountain snow, and snow levels dropping down to as low as 2,000 feet. So if you are planning to travel through the Grapevine, I might suggest delaying those plans because it is going to be very hazardous. We have the potential for some snow and very strong winds heading into tonight and into the overnight hours. Also, from the mountains to the coast, we have high surf in the forecast for the Central Coast. Surf up to 15 feet and then up to 8 feet for the Ventura and Los Angeles County coast. Once we put FutureCast into motion, you'll notice that potential for some light rain and even snow showers, especially up through the Grapevine. But if we do see any rain, it is going to be very light. Again, the big impact from this front will be the winds. Here's the extended forecast. Temperatures cooler than what we felt yesterday, so we are right along average. And then Monday into Tuesday, we're really cooling things off. We'll be back into the lower 60s, so temperatures well below average, 50s for the Inland Empire, and temperatures starting your morning up in the high desert and the mountains down into the teens. But we slowly warm up Wednesday and into the weekend.